Hello everyone. I am member of MMM Indonesia. Uh, account. My name is Hanna Aninda. On 21 April 2017, I regretted to get held 4.45 Bitcoin on my accurate interest for my deposit 58 million. Create provide help 5 April 2017. I so happy very much for platform MMM Indonesia running on the base and long live. If you want to grow money like me, join MMM. Thank you MMM, thank you Sergey Malody, and goodbye my friend everyone of MMM. Goodbye.